Hey everybody, Nature Walks with Dawn here doing an uprose on our dawn rose. It looks so pretty. It has blooms up here. It's doing so pretty. It's got the pink on it and the white. Really blooming. Looks so nice. It's our beautiful rose and it's in full bloom and it's doing real good after all the rain. I really love the dawn rose. It smells really good too, and it has a pink and white, and it's really pretty when it blooms like that. It smells good for out of all the roses too. It has a really good smell. So I really like our dawn rose because of that. It's one of my favorite roses. And we've had it for maybe 15 years now, I think, maybe around then. So it's pretty old. And it's doing good and still blooming. I thought y'all might enjoy. God bless and Jesus loves you all.